in our video today. So let's join in. Ingredients required for cookie dough are icing sugar, unsalted butter, milk, maida and vanilla essence. First, we will take unsalted butter. Just chop it into small pieces and with a hand beater just soften it little. Once it's little soft, we are going to add icing sugar. All the measurements are mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to sieve your icing sugar before adding it in the butter. Once it's well combined, we are going to add flour. Once it's crumbly texture, we are going to add milk and vanilla essence. Once it's all well combined, we are going to use our hands and just softly mix it together and make a dough. See to it that you all don't over knead it. When this is done, we will move on to the next step. Take a cling wrap. On that, we will put the dough with a rolling pin. Just roll it. It's better to have such flat rolling pins and not the ones which we use to make chapatis. Otherwise, you will get those prints on the dough. It doesn't have to be too thin nor too thick. This is done. Now just cling wrap it from all the edges for at least 2 hours. I have kept one of the batches ready, so I'm going to show you all on that one. Once our cookie dough is ready, just take any cookie cutter. So as this is a Christmas theme, we are going to take Christmas cookie cutter. I'm going to use different sizes. Lift your cling wrap. This is a silk pan which is used for baking. You all can use a parchment sheet. Bake it on 170 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, you all will have to keep checking it. It has to become little goldenish. And the remaining dough, again roll it and you all can use it. I have baked it for 20 minutes. Our cookies are ready. I have allowed it to cool down. Now we will move on to the next step. I have taken around 50 grams of white compound. I have heated it in a microwave. If you all don't have, you all can do it on a double boiler. Then I added little green color and this is what I got. Now we are going to add more green color to this. These are edible food colors. I've used the powdered color. You can't use any water-based colors in this as this is chocolate. So you need to use colors which can be used for chocolates. So either powder colors or oil-based chocolate colors. Add as much color as you want till the desired color you want. So this is what I want. We will take a piping bag and pour this in the piping bag. Now whatever design you want to do, you all can do. I'm just going to do zigzag on this. I have some garnishes. These are sugar garnishes. Now let it just cool down. You all can either keep it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes or allow it to dry by itself. Our edible Christmas cookies are ready. I hope you like this recipe and Merry Christmas to all my viewers there.